Alright, 60 on the clock, guys, 60 on the clock. Very close to TQ right there. Kyle only 3 seconds off. Kyle, a little pushy, Kyle, a little pushy. Alright. Dave, you gonna throw the kitchen sink at Kyle's car? I think it could be faster. It's a little pushy. Oh, maybe nose time. Looks like tire right there. Oh, nice. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Just move, yeah, just stay there, Kyle. 30 seconds. Kyle right there. I think Kyle did that on purpose. He's about to out-qualify Dan and just move tire right there.
Don't worry, Kyle, we got 2 more.
Yeah, 2 more. But I think Kyle, Kyle, which springs are you running in the front, you know? Orange? Alright, you gotta do something. Kyle's slightly pushy right there. He could be fast. He could be faster. Alright guys, keep moving, and thank you, you are done. Good work, drivers. Alright guys, modified, come on, mix.